Hi everyone, this is Jeannie Ellis, also known as Scrapbooking Memo, and today I'm going to share with you my fourth project sponsored by PandaHallSelected. Now, this is a jewelry kit, and you know how, most of you probably anyway, know how much I love making jewelry, and when you get the kits, you've got everything you need in it. Let's see if I can open it. Okay, let's pull out the instructions first. Now, you don't have to go by this. You can do anything you want. But this is what they have on their kit. Just as an example of what you can do with it. So that's what I like about these kits. You know, you can get examples and how to fix them. Now, here are some medallions, pendants. This is called a chandelier component, and you can see there's several in here, and they are, some of them are huge. As you can see. So anyway, there's those. I'll just set them aside over here since I'll be working on them. And here are, let's see. Here's some pins, here's hooks, and here are some small beads. And these are the little decorative floral, I think they're floral, yeah. And it's tight, there we go. And I'm not going to take them all out of the bag. Anyway, here's these components, and those you can use jewelry glue on them to keep them on it. So there will be links below in the description box and where you can find these, and there is a coupon code too, so be sure you check out that description box. Okay, so I've got all out of the bags now, and the pendants or the component is up here. Chandelier component it's called, and I am going to go ahead and go with this pattern just for the first time. So I'll make a pair of these. And the first step, it says, is to put a little glue on the chandelier component. So I'm going to use this Aleene's Jewelette. And I'm going to dab some glue around the edge, around the area that my stone will be placed. Okay, so we're going to try this glue. I haven't tried it in a while, and so I don't remember what it's like. Okay, there's these pieces right here. So before I can add beads to the bottom of these earrings, I'm going to need to add glue to these earring sets so they can dry enough for me to be able to work with them. Otherwise they'll just fall right off. Whoops, like that. So that'll be the first one I finish up because it's the one that I started on. Okay, so there we go. We have that. I don't know how quick this dries. I think I'm going to go ahead and try this back to this gem tack because I think it dries better or faster. Okay, set these aside. I'm just going to lay them on here. Now I forgot to show you the other side of this picture, and it shows what they put with the different earrings, and I'm going to do it that way because there's so many beads to go with each one, so I don't want to take a chance of running out the wrong one. And as I discovered, though, I did the right color for these red ones here, so that's good. Okay, let's see what we got here for this. On this one, they've got yellow, and then the other pair like it. They've got the I always forget which color is teal and which color is turquoise, but I think these are teal. So they got those on those two, so let's get them on. Okay, now these have to set for 24 hours with this glue, this particular glue, which was the Aileen's Jewelette. So I can't do anything to these right now until they're completely dry. And I got 2 extra flowers here, and I thought, I don't see them anywhere in the picture, so I've got some extra flowers I can do something else with. So I'll lay them over, I'll lay everything aside, and I will be back tomorrow, which you won't know that because it's going to be all put together anyway. So I'll be back. Okay, so these have dried overnight. In fact, they've dried longer than that because I was not able to get to it the next day like I wanted to, but I followed the pattern that's on the paper, on the instruction sheet, of which goes to where as far as the beads. And now I've been inking today, so forgive the fingers, but anyway, what we need to do, let's turn this over, is we need to take let's go ahead and go with this one. We need to take a pin. These are head pins. Put one into the hole of the bead, and I use this one-step looper, and I put it as close to the bead as I can. And then you have a loop. Now, if you don't have a looper, you take this, put it through, and then bend it. Take your, now this is a 3-in-1 tool. It's the round nose. It's got a cutter, plus it has, let's see, what else does it have? On a flat piece in here where you can, well, I'll show you. So take it, and I mark my pliers, usually with like a magic marker or something. Anyway, take it, cut off, oh, let me see, I'm going to cut it, it's probably about a 1/2 inch or so, and take the pliers, find where you marked, oops, bend it toward the bead and just keep bending it. Okay, now you may have to straighten it up a little bit, but that's okay. Now, because of the way my hands are, and here's where this comes in. There's slits inside here that you take and kind of close up your little loop there. Okay. Now my loop is a little bit bigger than the other one is. And one of the reasons I like to use a looper because it's easier on my hands. So now that I've shown you how to do it, I'm going to go ahead, stay with the looper, and get another bead because there are extra beads in here, which is, I like that. Extra beads, and there was a couple extra resin flowers, so that's good. But this is a lot easier on my hands. One somewhere, I think. Wait a minute. No, I didn't. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So I've got this one done. I'll work on the rest of them. Of course, I've already got the earring hook on. Want to make sure you put that on the right direction. Anyway, I'm going to work on the rest of them, and I'll be back. Okay, so I've got all of them finished now, and I'll post better pictures on at the end of the video, or toward the end at least. But here they are, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pairs of earrings. So you get 8 pairs of earrings, and these would make excellent gifts, or just keep them for yourself. But anyway, here they are. Be sure that you check out all the links below in the description box, and that you will like and subscribe to this channel and hit that bell for notifications, and make sure that you visit the PandaHallSelected shop. Bye for now. Have a great day. Bye-bye.